And some big breaking news coming in after Kareena Kapoor Khan. Now, Karan Johar too has issued a statement on that Bollywood party that saw 6 celebs testing positive for COVID. He said that an intimate gathering of 8 people is not a party and that his home is not a COVID hotspot as being claimed. In fact, so Karan Johar, the filmmaker, has broken his silence in this entire matter. In fact, he was the one who held a party, which he has now called intimate gathering of 8 people. And post that, several celebs actually tested positive, and those celebs actually included Kareena Kapoor Khan as well. And remember, Kareena Kapoor also last evening had issued a statement on the similar lines and also said that it is not fair to blame her for everything. And now Karan Johar also saying that it was just an intimate gathering of 8 people and it was not a party as claims are being made. So this is a big update coming in on this big story now that Karan Johar has issued a statement on this entire controversy. Remember, Karan Johar himself has tested negative for COVID, but 6 people who attended that particular party that was hosted by Karan Johar have tested positive for COVID. And now we are seeing statement from the filmmaker himself. And in fact, this particular statement has been issued on social media. And I'm just quoting Karan Johar here. My family and I and everyone at home have done their RT-PCR tests, and with the grace of God, we are all negative. In fact, I tested twice just to be safe, and I am negative. I truly appreciate the grandest efforts of the BMC to ensure the safety of our city. Salute to them. To some members of the media, I would like to clarify that a 8 people intimate gathering is not a party. In fact, our correspondent Radhika is with us to give more details on this. Radhika, take us through the details. What exactly Karan Johar has said in his statement?
That's right. Karan Johar has released a statement a day after, in fact, 2 days after Kareena turned positive and Amrita also turned positive. And yesterday, of course, 4 more people in that particular gathering also turned positive. So now Karan Johar has given out a statement. First point stating that he has turned negative. He's taken RT-PCR test twice and he's negative. And then he's gone ahead and defended himself by stating that 8 people intimate gathering cannot be called a party and that his house, his home is not a COVID hotspot as being claimed in the media. So clearly he is informing people that it was not a huge gathering, it was not a big party as is being claimed by several sections of people and the media, and that what he's trying to say is that it was a group of friends that was having dinner, it was not a huge party. And then later on going on to say that he was responsible, him and his family members have been following all the COVID protocols, guidelines as well as rules, and therefore he is a responsible individual and that he wouldn't do it deliberately. Of course, we know for a fact that Kareena Kapoor also sometime back had stated that it was an intimate gathering and that one of the people in that gathering was showing, symptoms, and that person was irresponsible and not the rest of the people. Of course, who that person was who was showing symptoms, we are not entirely certain. But we know for a fact that all the stars currently, be it Karan Johar or Kareena Kapoor, are coming out to state that they're responsible individuals. It was just a small gathering between friends and they were not breaking any COVID protocols by being part of any COVID hotspot or a party. So that's what Karan Johar has stated in that particular statement that he released on Instagram just about half an hour back.
Right, Radhika, thank you so much for sharing all those details.